Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll teach you how to export grid or GridView to Excel using jQuery in ASP.NET Core Razor Pages. So let's start. So the very first thing, I'll open Solution Explorer and from there I'll be opening the model class. Here I'll be creating some properties. You need to make sure that the name of the properties should match the names of the fields in the table. For example, this particular field customer ID is an integer field in the database table and the name is exact copy of the column name. The second column is name. The third property is an country. You need to make sure that the data type as well as the name of the column is exact match in order to entity framework to map it to the table and fetch the data so that the entity framework can map the column to the appropriate field and fetch the data. So with this, our model class is complete. Now again, let's move to the Solution Explorer. Now I'll be opening the database context class or DB context class. As you can see on your screen, this is a database context class. In ASP.NET Web Forms and FVC, all these classes were automatically generated by Entity Framework. But here in Razor page, we have to manually write it. If you need to know the details of how to use Entity Framework in ASP.NET Core Razor pages, please refer to the video on the right hand side. Hence, I'll not go into the explanation part. Now I am showing you the scripts folder in the project. As you can see, it has the jQuery table to Excel plugin, which will be used to exporting the GridView to Excel. For more information about how to use static files such as images, JS and CSS files, please refer to the video on the right hand side. Now let's move to the index model class. Now I am making a private property of DB context class. Next I am creating a constructor of index model class. And I am injecting the database context class using dependency injection into it. Now I am creating a public property of customers collection, and this particular property will be used in the Razor page for populating the HTML table. Inside this onGet method, we'll be making use of entity framework for fetching the data from the database table. As you can see, I am fetching the data from the customers collection of the entity framework. Now let's move to the view. Inside the view, I am now creating an HTML table. Now this is the fixed section, that is the header row of our table. So here I am making use of th element, which is the header element of the table, and I'll be creating 3 columns: customer ID, name and country. As you can see, I am using Razor syntax and I am making use of for each loop. So the loop will be run over the model. Now inside the for each loop, I am creating a table row, and each table row will have 3 fields. Here I am making use of Razor syntax and I am specifying the field name which will be displayed here. So as you can see, our table is also ready. Now we'll start the second part, which is exporting the HTML table to Excel. So now I am adding a button. On the click of this button, the HTML table will be exported to Excel. Now I am inheriting 2 JavaScript libraries. The first one is jQuery and the second one is Table to Excel jQuery plugin. Now I am adding script tags, within which we'll write the code to export the table to Excel. Now I am assigning a click event handler to the button using jQuery. Now I am referencing the table using jQuery selector. Next I am applying the jQuery table to Excel plugin to the HTML table. Now I am making use of a property called file name of the table to Excel plugin. It is used to set the file name of the Excel file which will be downloaded. So that's it, the plugin has been applied. Now we can run the code and check it. Before moving ahead, I would like to inform you that an article has already been posted on this topic. The link for the article and the code sample are available in the description. Also, if you need any further help, feel free to ask on forums. The link for the forum is also available in the description. Finally, I would like to request you to please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon. As you can see, the data from the database has been successfully fetched and also being displayed in the HTML table. Now I am clicking the export button. As you can see, the browser is showing the option to save the file. After opening, you can see Grid or GridView has been exported to Excel successfully. So with this, we come to the end of this video. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to click the bell icon. Goodbye.